Hello students, welcome to the class 12 macroeconomics chapter 8 income determination and multiplier. Before it we have discussed in this chapter the various concepts of underemployment, over full employment and full employment, that is equilibrium level of employment. Now today we will discuss about the schools of thought, that is classical thought and Keynesian thought. What is classical thought? The classical economists are those economists whose thoughts were followed before 1930, like Adam Smith, Alfred Marshall. They are the classical economists, and after the year 1930, Keynes developed new economic thought. After the 1929, a Great Depression prevailed in the economy throughout the world. That is why Keynes developed the new concept of new thought of the economics. Let us consider the first one, the classical thought. In the classical thought, what was the thought? The first thought, supply creates its own demand. That means whatever in the economy exists, resources are available, they all are fully employed. It is believed by the classical economists that in the whole world the resources are fully employed and we have to produce whatever we can and supply in the market, and it will create its own demand in the economy. This was the thought of the classical economics. And second thought was wage rate and price of the commodities are flexible. That is, in the economy, the wage rate and price side by side, the price of the commodity are flexible. That means what is the relationship between this wage rate and price of the commodities? As you know, as price increases, in that comparison, if the wages of the employees are not going to increase, it will create a problem for the survivability of the employees in the economy who are working population in the economy. That is why, according to the change in the price, there is a need of change in the wage rate also. It was the belief of classical economists. Now come to the new thought, Keynesian thought. Because these thoughts were failed in the year 1929, because there was a great depression occurred in the whole world. Because why this great depression emerged in the year 1929, no one can understand what's the situation, why this depression has been arised in the world. That is why, in the meantime, the Keynesian had developed, he has studied the whole situation of the world, and he has developed the new thought that the equilibrium can be attained at underemployment level also, and he has given another thought that demand creates its own supply. That is, we have to produce from the given resources in the economy, in the whole world, that commodities which are demanded by the consumer. We should not produce those commodities which are not in demand in the economy, because consumers are the playing a pivotal role in the economy. That is why we have to give importance to the consumers. They will, whatever they are demanding, the economy should produce those commodities. And it is not necessary that equilibrium will attain at only full employment level. It may attain at underemployment. This is called underemployment equilibrium. Underemployment equilibrium. In the case of full employment equilibrium, the supply curve will be like this. AS. And in case of underemployment equilibrium, the supply curve will be like this. In this way, it will divert the situation. This is the AS. And this is the underemployment equilibrium, where aggregate demand and aggregate supply are same. This is the situation of equilibrium in the economy. This is given by the Keynes, and he had also suggested that in this case, wage rate and price of the commodity are fixed. We have to consider in the economy, while considering the demand creates its own demand, on the basis of the second thought, that is wage rate and price of the commodities are constant. It should not be flexible, it should be fixed. So, this underemployment equilibrium will exist in the economy. This is the school of thought by the classical economists and Keynesian economists. Now, next day we will consider the meaning of investment multiplier in the next class, and thank you. Rest is well.